All right, we're going to the mall to do Christmas shopping. We're here. There we are. It's us. We're also violated by that. Okay, we need to stop. Jose told us to tell you guys, sup. Guys, we saw Jose. We're at the mall, walking in circles, never getting anywhere like we always do.
He approached us.
He approached us.
Wow.
We put him in the vlog. Makeup guru. What do you think of everything, Paris?
I don't know.
What are you looking for? Your family?
My sister, maybe.
Maybe? I'm really not seeing anything for anyone. Maybe I could get someone this. These are so cool. Alright, first door. Bye everyone. See you soon.
Okay, I feel like my mama wants to drink out of there.
Francesca's?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We're at the food court. There's nothing left to say. Let's go pee. I'm sad. I can't afford anything. Bye. Can we just fix your attitude a little bit, Paris?
I am trying, okay? Gabby, this is so planned, but did you know that I was sick?
Whee!
I think that's my lunch. I think that's gonna be my lunch.
That woman's staring at me. Let's put our hands up on the escalator.
Definitely gonna be our lunch.
Let's take a selfie. Pretend we're taking a selfie. Here we are. It's the same person we see everywhere we go. He doesn't want to say goodbye. I'm so sorry. Filming it the wrong way.
I don't feel good.
Yeah, guys. We don't know what's up, ladies. Who know what up? We don't know what up.
I hate her.
You could take my video ringing it and dancing.
Have fun ringing your dang bells.
Ew.
Have fun ringing your bells, guys.
Those people. What's going on, Paris?
Well, I hate them all. I hate them. Oh. Together.
He only knows me because I loves me. Loves me. Loves me. Right, Paris? We saw Casey.
We saw Casey. Netflix.
It's Netflix. We see him too. He in the vlog as well because we see him here at Charlotte Rules. Yep. Bye.
Yeah.
All right. Well. Yeah. I don't have any words. Do you?
I'm so hungry now.
This
was really expensive.
We are broke. Here's the food choice for today.
Okay, I'm gonna go over your order and make sure we got it all correct. Okay. So
Putting a drink in your mouth for sure. I thought that. And I mean, somehow fate brought us back together. Manifest destiny. Oh, wait a second. You just go. Paris, it's fine. Let's just leave it in there.
what are you doing?
What do you want? You want me to get a picture of you?
I just.
Oh, to be in the vlog?
Aunt Lori.
The vlog. It's still.
Hi.
Well, Gabby, grab your helmet.
Okay. I don't really need a helmet, but okay.
Hey, look, let's get you in it now.
That's crazy. That looks so crazy.
We're back again, guys. We're back again. Look at we are out the back.
Out the back.
Going to go get charged. We're going back to Paris' house. You put him back on.
That's the problem when we grow every year. Nobody ever gets us new smoke clothes. Are you feeling stressed about your friends? It's alright to be unsure of your future path. Yeah, that's me. The voice inside of your head. Telling you what you need to do. That's me.
All around me are familiar faces.
Guys, whenever it starts snowing.
Hey guys, what's up? No, it's actually Sarah. Hey guys, what's up?
It's Sarah and Mahali. And today,
we're gonna be making some milkshakes.
we're gonna tell. No. You can make two different kinds of milkshakes if you like. So we're gonna use double stuffed Oreos and mint Oreos.
Gotta get that double stuff because double the love, right?
You're also gonna want
this blender.
Yes, we're gonna use Ziploc bags. These are nice. 2 nice cups for your milkshake. So we'll just put those to the side for now because we don't really need them anyways. Now, you're gonna get your ice cream. Where is that?
It's up there in the top.
I guarantee.
Mom, come say hey to the vlog.
That's what you call. Can you get? Ow. Wait, did you zip up the bag for safety measures first?
Oh, let's look at the quick handle.
She's here.
Any progress?
Get off me!
I don't want it to be completely blended. Wait, wait.
Have y'all made both some milk in it?
You can put more in there.
Make sure you make that.
It's been 16 minutes already.
No, I told her not to come, and she's like, it's fine, I'm coming.
Hey everyone. It was supposed to snow 18 inches, so let's check it out and see if it did. Because I don't think it did.
Let's do this one, Doug.
I'm not wearing pants.
Okay.
I'm gonna be snow.
Oh, what's that? What's that, guys?
Who did this?
Who did that? Is that snow?
That's.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
We must go play.
We must go play.
How are we gonna get the four-wheelers? To be continued. Why are our voices always like that?